Have you ever thought about what would happen if your online accounts got hacked? I know it's a scary thought, but don't worry. I'm the CyberGuy, and you can follow me at cyberguy.com and sign up for my CyberGuy Report newsletter right there with the red button. With iCloud Keychain, you can store all your app and website passwords on your iPhone so you don't have to remember them all. Plus, it scans known password leaks to warn you if any of your saved passwords have been compromised. That's right, no more worrying about hackers getting access to all your accounts because of a single breached password. Saving your password onto your iCloud Keychain is an absolute breeze. Just log into your favorite website and enter your password. And on your iPhone, it'll automatically ask you if you want to save it to the keychain. If you accidentally hit no, don't worry, you can still save it later by going to your settings and tapping on passwords and selecting the little plus sign in the upper right corner. Here you can enter a website, username, and password you'd like stored onto the keychain. How can you check to see if your password has been compromised? Quite simple. Just go to your iPhone settings, tap on passwords, and select security recommendations. If any of your passwords have been compromised, you're going to get a message letting you know which account has been affected. And don't worry, just tap on the affected account, copy the password, and then go ahead and change it on the website or app that it's associated with. For more tips and tricks on how to secure your devices, go to cyberguy.com, and while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.